Hello guys, how are you guys doing today? And this is Sonika, and I'm going to be reviewing a particular product today that I bought last week. So I've been using this product for a week right now, and I did find some changes on my skin the very next day, but I wanted to give it some time to see if it's actually this particular product that is causing these changes. And I will tell you in detail what I was experiencing, because I'm somebody who reads a lot of reviews before buying a particular product. So I know a lot of people, you out there, are also similar to me, who would definitely want a lot of honest reviewing, especially before going and buying a product. So here's the thing that I want to talk about. This is about the Neutrogena Hydro Boost capsule in serum, and this is what I was talking about. So around last week, I bought this product. I've been using it for over a week right now. And guys, honestly, I went to the store not to buy this product. I was tricked to buy this product because a couple of stores wherein at the moment you enter, a lot of people come in and they kind of ask you to buy so many stuff, and which you probably would not be intending to buy, but the way they brand it, the way they hype the stuff, you tend to buy it. So that's what happened with me as well, right? And so I bought this, and this is from Neutrogena. I'm a big fan of Neutrogena. I've been using their face wash, their moisturizer, their sunscreen. So I generally like this brand, right? So since this was from Neutrogena, I really wanted to give it a try. I blindly bought it, only expecting it to moisturize my face and nothing else. But guys, honestly, I really want to show you what is done to my skin, right? Just, I'm sure I don't have makeup on, and this is my skin in natural light. I have the sunlight falling on my face. Can you see the pimples and the breakouts that I'm getting? Guys, I had clear skin until I bought this product. I used it for over a week, and every single day. So I thought it was not this product, probably it's because something else, but it is this, guys. It was so strong. I did feel a little bit of itchiness when I used it, but I thought since it was a little probably, since mine is a sensitive skin, maybe I need some time for it to get used to my skin, but this one, it's a big no guys. And the next thing is that it also dried my skin terribly. I have this combination skin, so over my T-zone, I'm sure you can see it's actually shining over here, right? So over my T-zone I have oil, and around my cheeks I have dry skin, and during winters it gets extremely dry. But this one just pulled out all the moisture out of my skin, and my skin felt super dry, guys. And I don't know if you guys can actually see how dry it is over here, and with a lot of breakouts, guys. It's terrible. So before buying this product, please be sure that you guys do a test, because I don't know, I did do the patch test, but um, it was bad. I it didn't suit me. So I want you guys to be cautious before buying this product, because it's quite expensive. It's not a affordable product for everyone, because yeah, it's 800 for 30 ml. So and it's from a very good brand, so people tend to buy it. But so be careful, guys. I'll see you in the next video with a new product that I've been using, and I want to share the review of that as well. So until next time, bye, take care, and stay safe.